Good morning, students. Class 8, second chapter, power or exponent. What is power or exponent? To start this topic, first let us consider some first is repeated addition. What do you understand by repeated addition? For example, if a number 2 is repeated added 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 is added 5 times to itself. So repeated addition is known as multiplication, that is 2 will be multiplied by 5. So repeated addition means multiplication. Now second example, when repeated multiplication is there, for example 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then we can say that 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. So we can write this expression as 2 raised to the power 5. That is 2 raised to the power 5 means here 2 is the base and this 5 is power or exponent or indices. So when a number is repeated multiplied, then that number will be written in the form of base, and the total number of time its multiplication will be written its power. Let us consider one more example. Let us suppose 4 is multiplied by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 is multiplied itself 6 times. So we will write 4 as a base and its power will be written as 6. So this 4 is base and this power 6 is known as power. So this format in base power, this format is known as exponent. Exponent form. In higher class, you will learn about this exponent in chapter form. So let us take one more example to consider what is the base and what is the power and how we will express this. So let us suppose there is any unknown number x and it is multiplied itself. For example, x into x into x into x into x multiplied x itself 7 times, then we can write as x power 7. So in x power 7, this is exponent form and this x is base and this 7 is power or exponents. So hope now it is clear that what is the base and what is exponent. Let us consider some more example. Let us suppose two unknown thing. One is x into x into x and another unknown variable is y into y into y. So in this multiplication expression, x is multiplied itself 3 times. So it can be written as x power 3 into y is multiplied itself 4 times. So it can be written as y power 4. So in this expression, x power 3 base is x and power is 3. In y raised to the power 4, base is y and this 4 is power. So it was about the base and power and the multiplication of same number in repeated form Now we will consider the basic laws for the power or exponent. So let basic laws of power or exponents. So let A be any real number and greater than 0 and M and N be any another real number, then the first law, when base are the same and power are different, for example a power m multiplied with a power n, where the base is same and a power m into a power n are in multiplication form, then this is the first law and it is known as when the base are same and they are in multiplication form, then power will be added. So a power m plus n. This is the first law. For example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 is given in multiplication form. Here see, in the both exponent form, base is the same and power is different. Then using this a power m into a power n, base will be remain same and power will be added, that is 2 power 7. Now second law, when the power on power is given, let us suppose a be any given real number and positive real number, a power m whole power n, then this power on power will be multiplied, that is m will be multiplied with the n. For example, 2 power 3 whole power 4, then it can be written as 2 power 3 into 4, that is 2 power 12. So this was about the second law of exponent. Now next law, third law, when two real number are multiplied and their power is same, then that power will be distributed on the both the real number, that is third law. Let us suppose a be any first real number, b be the second real number and their whole power is m, then it can be written as a power m into b power m. So when base is two different and their power is the same, then power will be distributed on the given base. Then the fourth law, when two real numbers are in division form and their whole power is m, then also this power will be distributed on numerator as well as denominator. Then the fifth law, when two real number a and b are there, a power m and denominator a power n, means base are the same and power are different, and if m is greater than n, then a power m whole upon a power n will be equals to a raised to the power m minus n when m is greater than n. And similarly, if a power m whole upon a power n is given and if m is less than n, then for positive exponent we will write this as a power n minus m. Next one, when the power of any real number or unknown number, that is, let us suppose a power 0. If the power of any real number is 0, then its value will be always 1. So a if real number or any variable, let us suppose x power 0, it will be 1. 2 power 0, it will be 1, 10 power 0, it will be 1, 500 power 0, it will be also 1. So this was about the basic laws for the power or exponent. Now we will do some applications based on these basic laws. So let us start some applications. Using this law, we will solve the problems. So the first question is, find the value of find the value of 2 raised to the power minus 7 into 2 power 5. First of all, we have to see which basic law is applicable here. Here, see, in both the multiplication, base are same and power are different. So, we know that first we will write the basic laws of indices. So, we know that when the base are same and power are different, then base will remain same and power will be added. So here 2 raised to the power minus 7 plus 5, that is 2 raised to the power minus 2. Now if the exponent is negative, then we will write in positive form. So here denominator is 1. So what we will do, we will write in reciprocal form. A power will be taken from numerator to denominator, then it will be negative to positive. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2, that is 1 upon 2 into 2. Here base is 2, power is 2. So 2 will be multiplied 2 times. So your answer is 1 upon 4. So in this way, we can use the basic laws and we can solve the given problems. So next question. Find the value of, question number second, 5 upon 9 whole power minus 3 multiply by 5 upon 9 whole power 7. Here see, the base is 5 upon 9 in rational form. So in both base are same. So when the base are same and the power is different in multiplication, then base will remain same and power will be added. So we will use this law. Here A is 5 upon 9. So base is same, power are different. So minus 3 plus 7, that is 5 upon 9 whole power 4. So 5 upon 9 will be multiplied by 4 times. So this is your answer. Next question. Solve the following. Question number second. First part, 2 raised to the power minus 1 whole power minus 3. So here power on power. So which law we will use? A raised to the power m whole power n. Power on power, then power will be multiplied. So how we will solve this? Base is 2, whole power minus 1 into minus 3. So it will be minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3, 2 raised to the power 3. Now 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 will be multiplied with itself 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 is your answer. Second question. Find the value of 1 upon 2 whole power minus 2 whole power 4. So here base is given in rational form and power is minus 2 whole power 4. So how we will write? 1 upon 2 is as it is. Whole power minus 2 will multiply it with 4. So 1 upon 2 whole power minus 8. So when the base is different, now power is unique. So we can write 1 power minus 8 whole upon 2 power minus 8. Now for the positive exponent, we will take 2 power minus 8 in numerator, so 2 power plus 8, and 1 power minus 8 in denominator, so it will be 1 power positive 8. So 2 power plus 8 whole upon 1 power plus 8. Now power of 1, any times its numerical value will be always remain 1, so 1 power 8 will be 1. So numerator 2 power 8 upon 1. So answer is 2 raised to the power 8. Now you can multiply 2 8 times. So these are the some applications. Let us take some more applications. जितनी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आप में एक्सपर्टाइजेशन आएगा. How you can use the basic laws of indices. So let us take some more examples. Next one is find or simplify minus 3 upon 4 whole power minus 4 whole power minus 5. So here base is minus 3 by 4, a rational number. Its power is minus 4 and whole power is minus 5. So which law we will use? A power m whole power n, that is a power m into n. Power on power, power will be multiply. In word form you can learn power on power, power will be multiplied. अर्थात अगर पावर के ऊपर पावर है तो पावर पावर से मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएगी. सो हियर माइनस 3 by 4 एज इट इज होल पावर माइनस 4 into minus 5. So minus 3 by 4 whole power minus 4 into minus 5, that is plus 20. So here minus 3 power 20 whole upon 4 power 20. That's your answer. So one more thing, if in interior there is any negative integer and whole power is even, then it will be 3 power 20 whole power 4 upon 20. That is, this negative sign will be converted into positive. So write one notation for it. Minus 1 whole power if odd, then it will be negative. And if minus 1 power is even, that is, if any negative number is given and its power is even, then its value will be always positive. So these are the two important aspects. Let us see some more questions. Simplify. Question number 3, first part, 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 8. So here base are the same and power are different and the quantities are in division form. So we can write 3 power 4 whole upon 3 power 8. It will be equals to, see, in numerator and denominator base are the same, but the power in denominator is more than numerator. So 1 upon 3 power 8 minus 4. For the positive exponent, we can take the power, less power in denominator. So 1 upon 3 power 4. So 1 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 243. So 1 upon 243. Then 27 3 ja 81. The next, find the value of minus 7 whole power minus 5 into 2 upon 7 whole power minus 5. So how we will solve it? First, let us see. Question is So here this number is negative and whole power is also negative. Okay, negative but odd number. So first we will write it in positive exponent. So we can write 1 upon minus 7 whole power positive 5 into this also can be written 2 raised to the power minus 5 whole upon 7 power minus 5. Now see, negative power is odd, so minus will 1 we can taken as common, so minus out 1 upon 7 power 5 into, for the positive exponent we will take numerator in denominator and denominator in numerator to write in positive exponent or in power in positive form. So 7 power minus 5 numerator में जाएगा, 7 power plus 5 and 2 power minus 5 numerator से denominator में लेंगे तो it will be plus 5. Now 7 power 5 will be cancelled out by 7 power 5. So it will remaining minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5. So 1 up 2 power 5 is 32. So minus 1 upon 32 will be your answer. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. In next video we will do some more applications. Thank you.